Good evening once again. Welcome to my channel, Second Matter, the solution to your maths problems. Let's provide solution to this past question on core mathematics, November-December 2024. This is objective question 29 and 30. So we have a diagram, and in the diagram, angle SRQ, angle SRQ measures 35 degrees, this angle. Again, angle SPQ, angle SPQ, this angle measures 25 degrees. With this information, we have to answer question 29 and question 30. So now let's begin with question 29. For question 29, you have to find the size of angle PQT. Angle PQT. You're looking at this angle. So to make the calculation fast and easier, I'm naming angle PQT as E. Okay, so from this triangle, so from, how do we name the triangle? From triangle PSR, from triangle PSR. Now, we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So from triangle PSR, because it's a triangle, it will have three interior angles. Now, one angle measures 25 degrees, another angle measures 35 degrees. So let the other angle, the measure of the other angle be, let's say, B. So I'm naming this angle as B. So with this, we can solve for B. We know that B plus 25 degrees plus 35 degrees must be equal to 180, because it's a triangle. Yes, the sum of the interior angles must be equal to 180. So now let's simplify. 25 plus 35, that is 60, and this must be equal to 180. So let's make B the subject. We have B is equal to 180 minus 60. So B is 120 degrees. That is B. Again, we have a straight line. We know that the angles on the straight line sum up to 180 degrees. So this angle here is B. So let's also name the other angle as C. So with this, angle C plus angle B must be equal to 180 degrees. As we said, angles on the straight line sum up to 180 degrees. But what is the value of B? B is 120 degrees. This must be equal to 180. So let's solve for C. So 180 minus 120. So therefore C measures 60 degrees. C measures 60 degrees. Now, what is the relationship between angle C and angle A? Angle C and angle A. What is the relationship? These two angles, C and then A. Yes, you could see that A is equal to C. Why is A equal to C? Recall from the angle properties of a circle that the angles a chord or an arc subtends at the circumference are equal, like in the same segment are equal. So we have arc TP, or again you can even draw the chord. So chord TP. So this chord is subtending two angles, one at C and then one at Q. So because they are in the same segment and they are also from the same chord or arc, the two angles are equal. So because of angles in the same segment properties, angle in the same segments are equal. But during the exams, write it in full because we don't have space. That is the reason why we have shortened it this way. So, what is A? We know that C is 60 degrees, so meaning that A must also measure 60 degrees. But we are not asked to find A, we are asked to find the measure of angle PQT. So, angle, that is for question 29, angle PQT is equal to 60 degrees. So that is for question 29. So 29, the right answer is option D. Now for question 30, we have to find the size of angle RQT. So let's identify angle RQT. Angle RQT. We are looking at this angle. So again, I'm naming angle RQT as D. Angle RQT. I'm naming it as D. Angle RQT. I'm naming it as D. Again, from this triangle, the bigger triangle, this one, TQR. So from triangle TQR, we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So now let's identify the three interior angles in triangle TQR. So triangle TQR, we know one interior angle measuring 35 degrees. We have represented angle RQT as D. So we need this angle. We need the measure of this angle. So I'm representing this angle as E. But what is the relationship between angle E and angle P, or the angle 25 degrees? The relationship between E and 25 degrees. So again, we can recall from this same property. We have an arc SQ. Or again, we can draw the invincible chord. We can draw the invincible chord. That is chord SQ. Chord SQ. So again, the angles a chord subtends at the circumference in the same segment are equal. We have chord SQ subtending two angles, one at E and then one at 25 degrees. So they are equal. So we can say that E is equal to E. Let me clean this. So we have E is equal to 25 degrees because of this property. Angle in the same segment are equal. So with this, can we solve for D? Yes, we should be able to solve for D. So from triangle TQR, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So now let's sum up the three interior angles of triangle TQR. So starting with D. D plus E plus 35 must be equal to 180. What is the measure of angle E? Angle E measures 25 degrees. So plus 35 is equal to 180. So what is 25 plus 35? We have 60. is equal to 180. So let's group like terms. So D is equal to 180 minus 60. So what is D? What is D? 180 minus 60 degrees. So that is 120 degrees. But remember, we are not asked to find the measure of angle D, but rather we are asked to find the measure of angle RQT. Angle RQT. So the measure of angle RQT, that is 120 degrees. So this is for question number 30. So let me indicate the question number. So question 30. Question 30. Angle RQT is equal to 120 degrees. So what is the right answer from the alternatives? So from the alternatives given, the right answer is option B. Option B. This was an interesting question. Please subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section. See you at other time. Bye.